If you don't have a lot of space in your existing home or office, here are 5 ways you can effectively design your space to make it feel larger than it really is. One of my favorite things to use in a small space are mirrors or glass. The reflection in a mirror or glass creates the illusion of a larger space and eliminates some of those dark corners to bring more light to the room. We love to position the mirror across from a window or a beautiful piece of artwork so the reflection is doubling the beauty in the room and also making it feel larger. Another way we like to add a little bit more visual space in a room is by having the furniture to have legs. And the legs add more height to the furniture and give the illusion of space underneath, and that allows the space to feel just a little bit bigger. When there's no legs on a piece of furniture and it might be big and bulky, this is going to make the room feel smaller. One of my favorite sayings from a designer from years ago, you might remember, is if you can't build out, build up. At Liv, we love to utilize vertical storage. Small spaces can get a little bit tricky when you need true function. So at any time, we like to add bookcases, built-ins that take the eye up in the room. Not only does that visually help a room feel bigger, but it also doubles your capacity. The other thing that going vertical helps in a room is to reduce clutter. If you can have a place for everything and reduce the clutter in the room, it will feel a lot bigger. Anytime you cut up a room with excessive pieces of furniture or patterns, you're going to make the room feel smaller. Another way to make a small room feel larger is to add a wallpaper or even a mural. We recently did this in a bedroom that I'm excited to show you, but the wallpaper is a mural of landscape that adds so much depth to a small bedroom. The depth of the wallpaper draws your eye in and expands the room. The last and maybe my favorite way to make a small room feel bigger is color drenching. And if you haven't heard of this, color drenching really means to wrap the room in the same color. This color can even be a deep, rich color, and it still will make the room feel bigger as long as everything is painted the same color. Keeping the contrast low is the key. The walls, the trim, often the ceiling will be drenched in the same color, and that unifies the space and will make it feel larger than it really is. We hope that these tips are useful to you as you decorate your home and try to make small spaces feel bigger. Be sure to share this video with someone who might want to simply elevate their small space.